Oh my god, you guys. Oh, this is what happens when you put a photographer in front of God's creation. Good morning, guys. We are in Seattle right now. Just woke up a little later than what we expected to, but we're gonna head out nonetheless and check out the city. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Sound good?
Yeah, we're off to a good journey.
Good journey it is. We're gonna check if these guys are awake. I doubt it. Wow, dude. You guys aren't even ready.
I don't want to get disappointed.
I don't want to go to Denny's.
No, hey.
I'm already going to be disappointed before we go. I know. We already know what we're getting.
We can go to.
I don't want to pay like $15 for some gluten-free vegan stuff that has 4 stars because of all these hippies that live around here.
Because there's still some stuff that he wants to do before we leave for the mountains.
Well, technically,
are you naked?
He's zooming in, bro.
Oh yeah, you're zooming in.
It's
That's enough. All right, we're gonna head out to Pike's Place, get some food. No, there's too many people, too many opinions. Alright guys, we're headed out to Lola's to get some grub, get some coffee because I'm still dying, haven't had any coffee yet.
Zahir's a really cutie.
Hello.
All girls should line up for Zahir.
Zahir. I'm a humble guy. Bro, if I were to shout out any guy on my vlog, it would be Zahir. Get him married. Just got our food. It's bomb.
Oh, is that octopus?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, what did you get? I got the scramble. So this is the cheapest thing on the menu.
Hey, how'd you like that?
What's up, guys? We just took a stop. We're gonna get some coffee here at, what is this place called?
Okay.
All City Coffee. All City
Call
Coffee.
Randy because I'm down in Seattle.
I'm hoping that you come back to me. Moving on seems harder to do when the one that you love moves faster than you. I gave you my all, I'll show the proof. Realizing you weren't worthy, you don't deserve me.
Bro, look, it's snowing all over us, all around us.
Where?
Look, it's white. It's all white, bro.
Hey, we are here. Hey, get a picture. Mount Rainier National Park.
I'm coasting through my emotion. I will be coasting, roller coasting. I'm hoping that you come back to me, so I'll be coasting through my emotion.
Bring it down.
Hey, bye guys.
I'll see you next week.
Bye guys. We're splitting up, group splitting up. One team is going to Space Needle, we're sneaking into Mount Rainier.
Supply is low.
Supply is low, we have no food, we gave them everything,
$25 isn't much.
and we're still doing it. Alright, let's do this. Mount Rainier. First 2 minutes we came in, this is our view. Woo. You already know. We're headed into the mountains. You know, we just stopped on the side road. We got this beautiful blue creek that's flowing right past us. It is just amazing right now. This is just golden. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh man. We just found the dopest few waterfalls that we've ever seen on this trip right now. And this was in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Just amazing. Oh my god. Right off the top, right off the freeway, and you go down. Bam. Woo. You're good. How's it feel to conquer that mountain?
Dude, it was ridiculously sick. I swear to God, the view was insane. I was like shaking on the way down because going up is always easy. It's coming down that's difficult. Let's go, baby!
Roller coasting in my emotion. I will be coasting, roller coasting. I'm hoping that you'll come back to me, so I'll be coasting, roller coasting.
Alright guys, I think this is it. This is our final stop. It's getting dark, so I'm about to head out, back down the mountain. Probably gonna eat. We haven't eaten in over like 8 hours. Check out of the hotel. Sleep inside the airport possibly. That would probably be the end of our journey here. Honestly, one of the best trips so far. Oh my god.
That's what you're getting. I just went till the trees and one hand was holding the tree.
Okay. Who's that? Someone's down there?
No.
Why are they flashing light at us?
Oh, is that Zayn?
They're
Did he
flashing
run
light.
down there? Oh my god, okay.
Oh my god.
Run.
Oh shoot. He's at the base of the waterfall. Holy moly, I didn't even know you could get down there. Damn, you gotta be careful though, it's muddy. We have like 2 minutes before the sun goes away and you can't see crap on my phone, my camera.
Oh my god, that is it.
Dude, what the heck? So literally we're looking at the waterfall. We see a light in the background at the base of the waterfall and it's flashing. And apparently it's Zaid and he's down at the base.
Oh my god!
Taking a picture of the waterfall and you can hear it. Just how beautiful that is. Oh my god. You guys have to be here! Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys! Oh. This is what happens when you put a photographer in front of God's creation. You get beautiful. Oh my lord.
Saw your flash and
Look at that. Yeah. It's gorgeous. You guys seen my reaction as I was running down the base of the mountain, base of the waterfall. Look at that, like, nothing gets better than that. Nothing in the world gets better than standing in front of an amazing monument. And nothing beats having great company.
Hey,
Shout out to them. What's up?
Get her top in that corner.
I can't honestly, like, alright, let's do it.